Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up and install your HP Envy 5020 printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for HP Envy 5020 printer drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should be an HP support page that says HP Envy 5020 all-in-one printer software. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go ahead and just scroll down and expand the installation software and drivers. So once you've clicked on that, scroll down and expand the software utility item in here. Should be an HP Envy 5000 all-in-one print and scan driver and accessory item in here. And you can go ahead and select the download button that is corresponding to that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And you can close it out of the web browser as well at this time. You don't need it open, obviously, unless you're watching this tutorial, which, you never know. And then once that has finished installing or downloading, you want to make sure it's a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen directions as you see fit, depending on your configuration preferences, like if it's going to be a wired or LAN-based connection or a Wi-Fi connection. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.